cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this. The rails, they scream, they call my name. Blindfolded hearts, we play the same game. Clicking chains pull me to the sky. I can taste the clouds, I can hear the high. Every time's a melody in disguise. The scream of wheels, the wind that cries. I don't need sight to see the spark. I paint the world in shades of dark. Hold my cane, watch this.
So what are we
If
looking
you,
at?
if you look at just straight ahead there, the orange train is Vallied right before the launch. So basically they probably tried to do a couple test runs when they seen that it was about to be,
Like
you
make
know,
temperature.
like make sure they could still run it.
And then a
And,
Vallied.
And it Vallied, yep.
So Verbolten is a no-go, too cold.